With the Digital Launchpad, we focus on 3 initiatives: building a comprehensive website, building a web persona, and generating sales. Our sole goal is to plan it, build it, and go get it. And we can do all of this by building a comprehensive framework designed to help your business refine and elevate its online presence. Over the past 5 years, I've worked with over 100 small businesses, and I help them empower themselves to exceed online. Nothing else matters, because once we create that online identity, that's where we live. That's what solidifies us as small businesses and allows us to grow. Because you're going to be faced with so many challenges in all kinds of circumstances. And the goal is to have a mental clarity. And the clarity, it affects all parts of your body. Mental focus begins in the brain. Regulating your stress begins in the heart. Fatigue begins in the chest. And mood and focus is in your abdomen, which is also considered your second brain. So if we understand these concepts, then we're going to be able to succeed, because our goal will be to make sure that our mental clarity is a major part of everything we do.